Hey everyone, I promise this is a really quick video compared to my last one. I'm just coming to share a new kit I've put together and put on both the website and on Etsy for those of you that prefer them. 6 pages of journal, well 19 pages in total. They are vintage butterfly, or an aged butterfly. I've really got into this sort of grungy, well for me, for me this is really grungy, you know, compared to how I first started. So like I say, there are 19 pages in total. There are 6 main journal pages, so that's the first one. They're made up of 17th and 18th century illustrations of butterflies and flowers and various bits. So that's number 2. And number 3. I love this one, I have to admit. What it was, I was putting together some papers for my new journal, and I thought, I'm getting all the pages together and all the images I wanted to use, and I thought, do you know what, this would make a cracking kit. So hence here we are. Number 5. I love that. It's this pink dove in the corner. Brilliant. And no butterfly kit is complete. We're a death's head moth. So those are the main pages, and then for backing pages I have got, there are 2 lined ones. So there's this one, and then one with music paper on the back. And then ephemera. So I've got a page of ATC size tags, which I like to use just to clip on, and then people can decide where and when they want to, if they want to put them in as pockets or tuck spots or whatever. And there's a page of large tags, and I put it that way, a page of note cards, and actually you might be able to see it better that way, possibly not. So it's a sheet of 2 envelopes, and then I've got 6 of these ghost pages. So I've printed them out on cream. I have also got them on white to show you the contrast. These are images that I've taken from the kit and then put them in the middle. Well, that's what I like to use them for. Although, in theory, you can use them for whatever you like once it's bought. This light is awful. No, still can't get rid of it. And these are the same ones printed out but on white. So there's a much bigger contrast on white. Although you can print them out on any page. And then there's a plain, well, ish. There's a pattern going on in the background, and then with aged, sort of I've made it look aged as a backing page. Well, that was how I'd done it. So there we go. I told you it'd be quick. Oh my life. My computer nearly threw a fit with the last video. So for those of you that watched the my attempts at mixed media, thank you very much. Well done for sticking, for endurance. Like I say, it's on my website and it's on Etsy, and I'll put the links below. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.